Today I am going to discuss something very special. Actually, my opinion of using the video editor. Today I am discussing about Filmora 9. Actually, most of the user of the video editor generally uses three of the video editor like Camtasia, Filmora 3, Filmora 9, and Adobe Premiere. But in my opinion, Filmora is the best. Let's come to the discuss the reason behind using the Filmora 9. Actually, Filmora 9 is a very light software. You can easily use any kind of a configurations PC to use Filmora 9. And the second one is you can use the free version always, just sacrificing the watermark of the Filmora 9. And another issue is if you want to purchase the software, the price of the software is very low. So I am always recommending Filmora 9 for the at the primary stage of video editing. You can go for the very powerful software like Adobe Premiere further, but at the primary level you can use the Filmora 9 and become a pro at video editing. You can also use this software very easily. The interface is fully user friendly, and the library of Filmora is large, huge. You can download any kind of add-ins for these and use that at completely free. So I'm suggesting you to go to the website of the Filmora to check the configuration requirement, the price of the product, and additional features. So I think it will be very helpful for you. Thank you very much.